Charger repair instruction, switch replacement. 1. Remove the two plugs of the upper cover and remove the upper cover. 2. Remove the 3 rings at the switch and replace the switch. 3. Install the new switch. Put the ring back in order to tighten it. Insert the switch plug. Charger maintenance instruction, function button and USB port replacement. 1. Unscrew the screws, unplug the plug and replace the key plate in turn. 2. Reinstall it to check whether the holes are aligned and whether the buttons are normal. Charger repair instruction, display replacement. 1. Remove the screws, remove the display, and replace the wire in turn for replacing. 2. Plug in the wire, tighten the screws, and turn over to check whether the digital display meter is aligned. Insert the other end of the wire into the corresponding interface on the keypad. 3. Reinstall the key plate and insert the wire into the main board. 4. Close the cover and secure all screws on the charger.